Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best record players that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Crosley CR704 DPA Musician 3-speed turntable. The Crosley record player is equipped with Bluetooth, CD, cassette player, radio, and aux-in for the superior listening experience. It is great for personal use, and it can also be the perfect gift for your grandparents. The older members of your family will surely appreciate the gesture of giving them the opportunity to go back in time through this vintage record player. This product is a smart combination of old times and the modern era. Plus, it is manufactured using premium materials for durability and superior performance. Moving on, at number 4, we have the 1x1 wireless turntable hi-fi system. The 1x1 record player is perfect for residential or commercial use. It has a vintage style that is coupled with the use of modern technology. You can connect external speakers to this product for louder audio coverage. This product offers exceptional audio quality, and it is made from extremely durable materials for long-lasting lifespan. The high performance offered by this record player is absolutely amazing. Whether you play music in your home or in the office, this record player provides exceptional clarity. At number 3, we have the Pro-Ject debut Carbon DC turntable. The Pro-Ject record player is a multi-award-winning primary E that is perfect for personal or commercial use. It requires manual operation, but the sound quality is off the roofs. The best thing is, it is quite affordable and capable of providing excellent performance. This product includes an Ortofon 2M red cartridge that is highly durable and efficient. It offers exceptional entertaining sound, and the setup is fairly easy. This record player is certainly a great addition to your audio device collection. At number 2, we have the Victrola Navigator 8-in-1 classic Bluetooth record player. The Victrola record player is designed to have a classic look that is absolutely enticing. It proudly includes a 3-speed turntable, CD player, Bluetooth connectivity, FM tuner, cassette player, USB player, and 3.5mm aux-in. This product has a gorgeous vintage design, but it is crafted with the latest technology of modern times. You can easily play your favorite music in this record player through Bluetooth technology from your MP3 player. The opportunity to play music in this classic device makes you nostalgic and happy. And finally, at number 1, we have the record player Turntable vinyl record player. The Wockkoder record player is the perfect solution for your desire to play your preferred music from your smartphone to this record player. It is lightweight and portable, so you can easily bring this product to an outdoor adventure on the beach, park, camping ground, and other locations away from home. This product is very easy to set up and use, which makes it perfect for beginners. It has a reliable and detachable cover that keeps dirt and dust away. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.